Well, welcome to Pride Month. Welcome to our collaboration called We Are a Family, because we're all one big family here on the YouTube platform. 16 artists that came together across 2 days to show you our allyship for Pride. My name is Tiffany Remijn. I'm going to embrace a little bit of diversity and inclusion myself today. I'm not going to do a fluid art piece. I'm actually going to pick up my paintbrush and I'm going to paint something for you in the Pride colors. Yeah. Let's see how that turns out, and I'll meet you back at the end and I'll show you the finished results and we'll talk a little bit more about Pride.
I've been alone for what seems like forever. Try to hold it together, but I'm losing my grip. I need someone who can make me feel better. Wrap me up in a sweater, treat my pain with a kiss. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head, everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering. Baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I fade away, every day you're not with me. Maybe now that you showed me what love could be like, what can I say? I know it sounds like I'm crazy, but I need to believe in you to get through my life. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head, everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering. Baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you, and I wish you could be real, but you're not really here. And I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Girl like you, girl like you. I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head, everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering. Baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you, and I wish you could be real, but you're not really here. And I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Girl like you, girl like you. I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, oh. And time to time I am wondering, who is she to me? I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can't live without. Time after time after time, I'm wondering, who is she to me? I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. The one that I can live without.
Well, let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young, and you got me going on. Every single beat hits my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you, 'cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. 'Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. 'Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Ooh, I love when it feels right. Ooh, dancing really close. This is how it goes. Opposites attract. Guessing everybody knows. Fire on the floor, sneaking out the door. We're just getting started, lady. Now I really want some more. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. 'Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. 'Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Oh yeah, I love when it feels right. daylight. 'Cause I don't ever wanna leave. I don't wanna leave. It's way beyond bedtime now. I give it up on love, but now I believe. Love when it feels right. Just one of these. Just one of these. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice.
Well, after 12 hours, this is what I created. I don't know if it's done. I might still play with it some more off camera. I'm not sure what I want to do with this piece because it is super cute. Credit where credit is due. The Art Sherpa, I watched a 3-hour tutorial on YouTube on how to create this. So this was chrysanthemum, it's supposed to be. And then of course I replicated part of that design down here for a dress, if that's what you want to call this. I'm not sure. I hope I did it a little bit of justice. You know what? It's my first time. So I really enjoyed making this. Thanks a lot to Nate Bright for including us all in this Pride celebration. We are family. And in the description box below is the playlist from 2 Sundays ago when the first set of artists went. And then of course the playlist for today. 3 artists have gone before me. Coming up after me is Pouring Together with Lance Travis. Be sure to catch us over there if you're joining us for the premiere so we can watch what he did for Pride and then we can continue on the train today. You know, we have enough problems in this world. This is the last thing we should be fighting about or concerned about. You know what? Let people just be people. Be uniquely you. Just love people for who they are. Ciao for now. See you in the next video. See you over on Lance's channel while we continue to pour for Pride. Thanks, everyone.